go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the...
Hi you guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Akanksha. Festive seasons have started and I really wanted to do a desi glam look. This is so me. If I want to go out on any Indian occasions, this is what I would always wear. I just love wearing white color because it gives me so much confidence. I feel so amazing and confident right now and I literally have nowhere to go. So yes, if you want to know how I got this beautiful look, then continue to watch.
Alright, first things first, we are gonna prep our skin. And for that, first I'm gonna start off by using the Pond's Light Moisturizer. What I like to do is I take a generous amount and I lather it on my face and then gently start massaging it into my skin. Now it's very important that you prep your skin before you go in with your foundation. Then I'm gonna take the Colorbar's Perfect Match Primer and I'm gonna apply it on my T-zone. Now you can do this to mattify your face and you can put it on the places you think you get shiny or you think you have pores. I really like this primer a lot. For foundation, I'm taking the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC25. So what I like to do is that I take some on the back of my hand and I start dotting it all over my face. So I begin with my cheeks, some on the nose, chin and a little bit on my forehead. Then I take my beauty sponge and start blending it in. Now you have to remember that blending is the key to flawless makeup. So take your time blending. And as you can instantly see, that foundation just melts into my skin. I absolutely love this foundation. It has the most beautiful finish on the face. If you don't want a heavy duty one or not too light also, then I recommend you this one. It has a good amount of coverage and your skin looks like skin. Look at that. Beautiful. Then I'm gonna take my favorite concealer, which is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm in the shade Pure Beige. And I'm just gonna put some around my eyes since there's a slight darkness over there, and this concealer does an amazing job in cancelling it out. Always remember to go little and then build your way up. As you can see, I'm just blending. Yep, that's an happy face. Then I'm taking this Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer and I'm in the shade 15 Light. Since it's a lighter shade, so it helps my under eyes look brighter. So I'm just applying it to the places I want it to be highlighted. Then I'm gonna blend it using the same beauty sponge. I love going in with a lighter shade of concealer after I finish with my LA Girl one because I really like those brightened under eyes. And as I finish blending this side of the eye, I'm going to show the difference and you can instantly see how much of a difference it makes. I'm quickly going to blend the other eye as well. Then I'm taking the Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Powder and I'm in the shade 15 Light. And I'm going to dunk my beauty sponge in it and apply it under my eyes and also set the rest of my face with it. Now it is very important that you set the rest of your face with some of the other powder. I generally prefer loose powder, but you can also go in with any compact you have. If you don't set the rest of your face, then your foundation is going to move all over the place and you don't want your foundation to look fudgy. Time for brows and I'm using the K-Beauty's Eyebrow Enhancer and I'm in the shade Chestnut. I just love using this product. It's just got this perfect amount of pigmentation and I just love how my eyebrows look after it. Now I naturally have thick and broad eyebrows, so I just like to fill in the start of my eyebrows. To begin our eye look, I'm using this Wet n Wild's eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade Rose in the Air, and I'm taking that transition shade and applying that all over my crease. I just love the way my eye look turned out in the video. I love wearing warm colors. So I'm playing with like warm tones and orange tones over here. It's super festive yet super me. And this kind of eye look goes with every other outfit, yeah. I love this palette and I specifically chose this one because I know that these colors are so pigmented and there are like 10 colors but yet so many possibilities of eye looks. Now make sure you blend the edges because you don't want it to look very harsh. Then I'm gonna take this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade 03 Champagne, and this one is so beautiful, so I apply it with the brush that it comes with, and then I'm gonna tap it with my fingers before it dries out because that's the best way you can apply this eyeshadow. And trust me, this eyeshadow made the look stand out. These eyeshadows are supremely pigmented and I think they come in 6 shades and they're super affordable too. Then I'm going to take this berry shade from the Wet n Wild palette and I'm just going to put it on the outer corner of my eye because I felt it needed some color there. And I'm doing this by using a smaller brush and focusing it on the crease for that deeper effect. Then I'm taking this brown shade from the same palette and putting it on my lower lash line. I quickly put some lashes on and some kajal, then we move to bronzer and I'm using the Benefits Hoola bronzer. I'm going to apply this bronzer all over my face. Now don't skip on bronzer when you're doing a high glam because this really highlights your features. Then I'm taking my beauty sponge and just going over it so that it's not too harsh. For blush, I'm taking this shade from the Sugar Cosmetics palette. It's a beautiful pink shade and I've been using this a lot. It was just going so beautifully with this eye look also. Do you guys also love blush? Let me know in the comments below. I'm just carving my face using some powder. Now this will make sure that your face looks more sharp and amazing. Just keep it for like 10 seconds and then dust it off. I have recently started using this technique and it just makes a whole lot of difference. Then I'm using a makeup fixer to just melt the makeup in. For highlighter, I'm using the K-Beauty's Illuminating Highlighter and this is in the shade Frosted Ice. I'm going to apply that all over the highest points of my face. This is currently my favorite highlighter. If you're watching my videos, you know how obsessed I am with this. I'm also going to hit my brow bone with that. Moving to lips, and I'm using this beautiful red shade from House of Makeup. I have an affiliate link. I'll leave it in the description box if you want to save some cash on their website. Then we're gonna pop on some bindi and some jewelry and voila, we're ready for Diwali. Now all of these jewelries I've had for years, okay? Now I don't remember from where I got them, but they're definitely from some local shop. I just loved how my look turned out and this is just so me.
And yes guys, with that we complete this look. I feel so amazing right now. I literally can't tell you. Like I have nowhere to go and I've got so much Bantan Ge ready. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you super soon. Bye.